Basically, Andy, I worked a little bit in Lebanon with some weddings and small parties. We had some small PA system, and I was really interested in this thing, even though I was working in it, but I really didn't know what I was doing. So I was curious to know more. I was curious to learn more about all these things. They felt overwhelming before I joined here, and I wanted to become better at this because I was really interested in audio and all this stuff. So when I came here and I searched, I found out you're the only one here that teaches this, what I was exactly looking for, which is live sound, and I'm glad I joined. No. In 6 weeks, no, but for sure I can learn the fundamentals in 6 weeks, because I think this is the most important thing. Like, it has to be step by step. I have to start from fundamentals and open to the rest. The content was really amazing because we had to hear their personal experiences, and they were experts in what they were doing. So it's really important to hear their experience and to learn from their experience directly regarding a lot of things, like especially from Andrea, which is related to speaker stuff. So yeah, it's really cool. Personal skills, I think that it's working under pressure. It's benefiting me now, because when you are in the spot, in the event, and something happens, you have to be very quick to solve it. So you have to know all the signal routing and these things. So personally, yeah, this thing that to be able to work under pressure and to perform under pressure, and technical related, it's definitely the signal routing, because once you know the signal, where it's coming from and where it's going for, and you follow the path, it's easier for troubleshooting. Yeah, so in the fridge, I went there first time as an assistant, and then 2 times as front of house. It's really cool. I was doing the open mic. There's a lot of things, bands come in, bands go out, singers, so there's a lot of things to handle, and it's definitely a good experience. Online, it has to be practiced. Like, you can watch YouTube videos and all these things and online courses, but you have to do it yourself. Like, if you watch about compressor, so there's many things that control the compressor, like attack, hold, release, and this stuff. So if you don't try to see how it sounds with compressor, how it doesn't sound with compressor, like to really experience it yourself, you wouldn't have to do it, because there is no just magic rule. Okay, set the ratio this, attack this, and then you're good to go. No, each one, yeah. So definitely you have to practice. For sure, if you really love sound, live sound, and you really want to go with it, you have to come here. Not only because it's the only one, because it's really beneficial.